Little things. Phonics video. A for apple. B for bat. C for cake. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for heart. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for koala. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for raccoon. S for snail. T for toucan. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. If you like this video, then please spread the word. Like, share and subscribe.